Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage digital marketing with a SEMrush easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the SEMrush website. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Log in to your SEMrush dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main tools available. Begin with the keyword research tool. Enter a keyword relevant to your business in the search bar. Review the keyword overview and insights provided. Take note of the search volume and keyword difficulty metrics. Next, move to the domain analytics section. Input your competitor's domain to analyze their performance. Examine traffic sources and popular keywords driving their traffic. Utilize the position tracking tool to monitor your keyword rankings. Set up a new project by entering your website details. Select the keywords to track and define your geographical focus. Use the site audit tool to identify technical issues on your website. Run a full scan to check for SEO errors and optimization opportunities. Review the audit report for actionable insights. Now, let's explore the content marketing tool. Use the topic research feature to generate content ideas. Enter a broad topic to receive trending headlines and questions. Select a headline that best fits your content strategy. Proceed to the SEO writing assistant to enhance your content. Copy your draft into the tool and optimize it based on recommendations. Next, leverage the social media toolkit for social campaigns. Connect your social media accounts to a SEMrush. Schedule posts directly from the dashboard for efficiency. Monitor engagement metrics and performance insights. Explore the advertising research feature to analyze PPC ads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.